Hi everyone, this is Praktis Sumatif, paper 2, question number 3. So we are given the equation of normal for a curve at point A is given by this. So let's just fill in the information in the diagram because there's so many information given here. So that's my habit to arrange my information if it is involved the gradient of tangent or normal. So we mark down the equation of the curve, y equals to x squared plus 2x minus 5. And then I will definitely mark down my tangent. And then the point given, 2, 3, and then the gradient of tangent, always remember it is given by dy by dx. Any other things? Equation of normal. We are given equation of normal, so we have to draw the normal. Okay. And therefore, the equation of the normal is given by y equals to ax plus b. Okay. So let's use the element in our golden triangle to find the necessity things first. So from here, we can actually differentiate the y and get that gradient function. So the gradient function of the tangent will be dy dx, that is 2x plus 2. So at point A, x equals to 2. Therefore, the gradient of tangent will be 2 times 2, 4, 4 plus 2, we got 6. So if the gradient of tangent is 6, now normal comes in. So gradient of normal will be negative of its reciprocal. All right. So we are given y equals to ax plus b, but we do not have a, we do not have b. So we just assume that we don't have this. So if without the equation of normal, how do we find equation of normal in the first place? So equation of normal, in order for us to find the equation, we must have the gradient. So since this is a normal, so we must have the gradient of normal and also the point on the normal. So the point is given 2, 3. And the gradient of normal we just found from the gradient of tangent. So over here, we just take y minus y1, which is 3, equals to m x minus x1, that is 2. Okay, so once we have right like this, we make y the subject. So y equals to negative 1 over 6x and then plus 1 over 3 plus 3. So negative 1 over 6x plus 10 over 3. So we compare with the equation given, which is ax plus b. So we can compare the coefficient. A equals to negative 1 over 6 and b equals to 10 over 3. So that's it. We found the answer for number 3.